New board member. Hubert Zaitschek takes over as head of Steel Division. New faces. Group Apprentice Day celebrates the skilled workers of tomorrow. And new technology. Metal 3D printing drives innovative advancements. Welcome to voestalpine News. The new year has begun with an important personnel decision. Hubert Zaitschek will become head of the Steel Division on July 3rd and thus will also move up to the Group Management Board. Zaitschek has been working for voestalpine for over 25 years. He is currently responsible for technology on the Management Board of the Steel Division. He takes over from Herbert Eibensteiner as head of the division with the highest revenue. Eibensteiner is succeeding Wolfgang Eder as the new CEO of the voestalpine Group. The company is world leader in all business areas. This is primarily thanks to the dedication of the 51,600 employees. For this reason, the current key communication focus within the company is on people.
As part of the key communication focus on people, the 6th Group Apprentice Day in December came just at the right time. Around 300 apprentices in their final year of training were invited to Linz. An Instagram challenge encouraged teamwork, and Watchado founder Ali Maloji gave an inspirational and motivational speech.
Ich hatte sogar teilweise, stellenweise Tränen in den Augen, muss ich sagen, weil mich das natürlich auch so motiviert hat und ja, mitgerissen hat.
In addition, the entire management board and the representative from the Group Works Council were there to answer apprentices' questions.
Einen voestalpine-Lehrling zeichnet Engagement, Fleiß und Zukunftsorientierung aus. Es ist ein Unternehmen, das vom Wissen der Menschen lebt und es ist ein Unternehmen, das dieses Wissen auch schätzt.
Das war echt super. Das gibt es, glaube ich, in anderen Betrieben fast gar nicht, dass sich der Vorstand Zeit für die Lehrlinge nimmt und auch unsere Fragen beantwortet.
A factory tour and a multimedia voestalpine quiz about the group rounded out the program for tomorrow's skilled workers.
And now to news flashes. Employees can become co-owners of the company through the voestalpine employee participation. To this end, the group issues new shares exclusively for the shareholding plan. As a result, 14.85% of voestalpine's voting rights will soon be in the hands of employees. As a partner of the ABB FIA Formula E Championship, voestalpine was able to provide an exclusive prize for a charitable cause. 2 VIP packages for the Paris race and a voestalpine helmet signed by Formula E stars were auctioned off. The 10,000 euros raised went to support the Austrian charity campaign called Licht ins Dunkel. Tumbleweed is an idea from school students that has now become a serious space project. The intelligent exploration robot was developed in 2 years with the support of voestalpine Böhler Aerospace GmbH. Tumbleweed could be made ready for a Mars mission by 2020. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, now also works with metal, which enables the production of completely new products. voestalpine is driving innovation in this promising manufacturing process and is on course for expansion.
Voestalpine began research in 3D printing with metal powder in 2016. The revolutionary technology makes even the smallest quantities affordable and completely new shapes possible. Applications have quickly been found, such as in tool making and in the oil and gas industry. Experts at voestalpine are some of the people driving advancement of this technology. From development and design to production, the entire process is being researched as a team under one roof. Even the ultra-fine metal powder, the raw material for 3D printing, is produced in-house by voestalpine. The demand for printed metal elements is already growing. New machines have recently been installed in Taiwan and Houston. 2 more additive manufacturing competence centers have been set up in Canada and Singapore.
In the next show, we will be looking at Formula E and reporting on their visit to voestalpine Stahlwelt in Linz. And with that, we say goodbye. Until next time.
voestalpine. One step ahead.